Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How Do I Make Sure My Remodel Looks Magazine Worthy? Alright, my fellow home design aficionados, let's embark on a quest to transform your humble abode into the envy of design magazines everywhere. Picture it, a space so stunning, even your morning coffee gets an extra jolt of joy just from the atmosphere. But how do you turn those glossy pages into reality? Let's navigate this creative journey. First things first, nail down your vision. If you find yourself dog-earing more magazine pages than reading them, it's time to build your inspiration board. Whether it's a digital version on Pinterest or scraps in a trusty folder, gather your aesthetic dreams and identify the common threads. Are you drawn to rustic elegance or modern minimalism? Find that thread and pull it like you're unraveling a mystery. Colors, y'all. It's essential to embrace a cohesive color palette. Think of it like picking the perfect outfit. You want pieces that complement each other, not clash like a bad first date. Use neutral bases and add pops of color to guide the eye, just like chefs use spices. It's all about balance. And if you're tempted by rad 1960s avocado green, proceed with caution. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Choosing the right contractor for your vision is just as crucial as your design elements. They'll be your co-pilot, so find someone who comprehends your goals, communicates clearly, and doesn't just treat your project like a checklist. Onto materials and textures, which can elevate a room from pretty nice to drop-dead gorgeous. Quality materials make a massive impact. Go for rich woods, luxe stone countertops, and chic tiles that catch the light just so. They'll whisper sophistication even Elvis impersonators can't ignore. Now let's talk about lighting, the unsung hero of ambiance. Layer your lighting, mix recessed LEDs with elegant chandeliers or sleek pendants. Spotlight key features and use dimmers to set the perfect mood across any occasion, from cocktail hour to cozy night-ins. Finally, details matter. Consider hardware and fixtures your space's jewelry. They accentuate the room and complete the ensemble, from unique handles to statement faucets. They're subtle touches that pack a mighty punch in the overall visual harmony. You got this. Remember, your remodel is more than just another project. It's your personal masterpiece. And with these tips, you're well on your way to a home that's not just lived in, but adored, like art. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.